Welcome to the Yes or No English podcast channel. This channel helps you learn English in a simple way through daily usage English, story practice, and shadow speaking. Practice daily and grow your confidence in English. Hi, everyone. Today, we're practicing at the bus stop sentences. Ready? Let's go. I go to the bus stop. I go to the bus stop. I stand near the pole. I stand near the pole. The sun is very hot. The sun is very hot. I wear my blue cap. I wear my blue cap. My school bag is heavy. My school bag is heavy. I see a small dog. I see a small dog. The dog wags its tail. The dog wags its tail. I wait for number 5. I wait for number 5. The bus is late today. The bus is late today. I tap my foot softly. I tap my foot softly. A man reads a book. A man reads a book. A girl eats a snack. A girl eats a snack. I hear a loud horn. I hear a loud horn. That is my bus coming. That is my bus coming. The doors swing open fast. The doors swing open fast. I get on behind others. I get on behind others. I drop my coins inside. I drop my coins inside. I walk to the back. I walk to the back. I hold the yellow pole. I hold the yellow pole. The bus is very crowded. The bus is very crowded. I share my seat nicely. I share my seat nicely. The bus turns left. The bus turns left. I see my school ahead. I see my school ahead. I pull the bell once. I pull the bell once. Wonderful! You just practiced 25 at the bus stop sentences. Subscribe for a new video every day. See you next time.